Hi, I'm Dave Stern, partner with the law firm Stern Cohen. Today I wanted to talk with you about what we call repetitive traumas, repetitive stress injuries. These are injuries that are perhaps not as obvious as others, as I'll mention here in a second, that we've had a great deal of success on over the years. And what's interesting about these injuries is a lot of people don't even realize that the law allows for them to pursue workers' comp if they're facing such a situation. So what do I mean? So obviously, if you get injured at work when you're lifting a box or you fall down a flight of stairs or you're in a motor vehicle accident, it's somewhat intuitive to people that the law allows for them to pursue benefits as a direct result of their injuries, an acute trauma. However, the law also allows you to pursue a workers' compensation benefits if you have injuries that have taken some time to develop. So for example, let's say you work in an industry where you do a lot of keyboarding or data entry, and you end up developing carpal tunnel in your hand or hands. Even though there was not one specific incident that caused these injuries and it was something that happened over time, the law does allow you to pursue a workers' compensation case, and all the same benefits are available to you as if you had been in that motor vehicle accident or some type of acute slip and fall. Also, if you work in an industry where there's a lot of lifting involved or overhead work, let's say the lifting over time, you start to develop low back injuries. You can't point to one specific lifting incident, but you do a lot of lifting at work every day, a lot of heavy duty, and you start to develop back issues. That's absolutely something that you can pursue under the law. The odds are your back issues did come from your work activities if that's the type of labor that you perform. Or if you do a lot of things overhead and you develop shoulder issues over time without one particular incident. Again, same theory. If you have developed a medical issue and you do work in an industry where the type of work that you've done could easily be tied to that type of injury, give us a call. It's something we should talk about. You can get your medical bills, your lost wages paid. There's, of course, some nuances in terms of how we would pursue this and some advice that we would give. But the consultation is free, and it's worth calling us and hearing what your rights are in a situation like that.